Welcome, and today I'm showing you how to start earning online posting faceless aesthetic videos. That means you don't need to go and show your face. And I'm going to do TikTok videos. You can use it for Instagram, you can use it for YouTube. I'm just going to do a TikTok video today. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought and if this was helpful. So remember, Canva is a free app. You can download it from your Play Store and it's free. It is a paid version. I have the paid version, but we're going to do a free video. You can literally find free videos from Canva. And if you want me to show you how to use Canva AI, comment Canva AI in the comment section, and I'll do another video for you on that. So first of all, once you've downloaded Canva, you're going to see on the left-hand side that says Create. You're going to click on that. And once that comes up, you can just type in TikTok video. It's going to come up right now. And there's your TikTok video. You're going to click on that. Once you're over there, you can go into the section above and you can click in, you can type in what you want. So I've already typed in TikTok aesthetic faceless video, and this is what came up. Now you will see if you go scroll through that one is for free, that one is for free. Anything with a crown on the right hand bottom side, that is the paid version. So let's just use this beautiful video over there. What you need is just going to click on it once. And once you're there, you can now go to the bottom and you can decide how long you want your video. So you can stretch it a bit, okay, depending on how much text you've got on the screen. So I've made this 16 seconds long. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some text on the screen and make ChatGPT your best friend. Let's go to ChatGPT, and today I have got, I'm going to do a video on how you can start making money online working 2 hours a day. If you want more information about that, the link is also in the description below. Leave your email address and I'll send you more details where you can learn how to make money from $100, $300, $600 to $900 per customer. And you only need to work 2 hours a day. So let's go to ChatGPT, and what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to just use the recording button and I'm going to dictate what I want from ChatGPT. Give me a 16-second description on text on screen for for my perfect customer on how to make money online working 2 hours a day, and you don't need to be tech savvy. Once you've done that, you can just click on go ahead and it's going to think. And then I'm just going to go, yes, I want him to think. And there's your text on screen. And now all you need to do is you're going to copy. So I'm going to copy the first one and I'm going to go over to my video. Once I'm in my video, I'm going to just click on the text that's already on there. I'm going to use it, move it to the top there, and I'm just going to double click on it, and then I'm going to delete that and copy the text that I found on there. So over there now I can just go and make it smaller and longer, and we can fit it onto the screen. We're going to change the color of the writing so that it can be seen much easier as well. So what you can do here is if you want to, I'm just going to delete that. If you want to put text on the screen, the only thing you need to do is you'll see on the right hand side, it says there text. If you click on text, this is going to come up. It's going to say add a text box. If you click on that, it's going to give you a text box on the right hand side. There's the other way of also doing this, and I'm going to show you now. So I've gone and I've grabbed the next text over there. You want to move this one up a bit to there, and double click on that and just copy, paste the text over there. There's your text, the next one, and we're just going to make it the right size, maybe a little bit bigger. Now I want to change the color of the text. Okay, so I think we're going to go with black, because black is going to definitely show better on here. So it's already on black. So what you're going to do We're just going to highlight the text and click on the bold just to make it a bit bolder. To change the text color, you click on text color, and I'm going to make it black. It's already black. So let's change the font a bit. To change the font, again, you need to highlight the writing and go and click on that. The seasons, I like Montserrat a lot. But let's see what we can use there. Let's try that one. That's quite nice. That's quite bold. And just make it a bit smaller. Like that. Okay, so that is that name. So let's do the top one like that as well. And go to bold. And I've changed the color there as well. And we're just going to put it in bold as well. Now, you don't have to every time go and put a text box in. What you can do, you click on your current text and you can just click on the duplicate one. You click that and you can just move it down. And you can just go and change the text. All right, so let's go and grab the next text. You're going to highlight that over there and go grab the next text. There's my next text over there, and I'm just going to highlight it and paste. And there's the next text. And we're going to go copy it again. Another 2 of those. We need another 2 and move it down. And move it down. Right, so once all your text is on the screen and you want to align your boxes, as you move it around, you'll see it's going to come up a line in the middle to make sure that you've aligned it correctly. You can play around. You want to change the colors of the writing. What you do is just highlight it. You click on the A text color and you can change that. So let's make that one white. And we'll do this one also white. Click on text color, click on the white, and then do this one white as well. And go text color and click on white. Right, so once you've got everything that you want to say, I will just want to put your comment ready. Make sure that you've got a good hook and a good call to action. Right, so once that is finished, now there's your video. Now you want to make sure that the text is coming in at the right time. So you're going to click to go to the text here at the bottom. You're going to click on the first one. What if you could, that's your first one. Tired of what? That one there. You click on your tired of working a 9 to 5 and still struggling to make ends meet. So what you're going to do is you're going to just drag it all the way to the end of the video. So you know that is your first text coming up. Then you want to go on your second one and you want to make sure that that only comes in later, right? Which is going to happen. So you're also going to just drag it right to the end. Make sure that it comes in there and drag it right to the end. Then your next text you wanted to come in a bit later after that. What if you could earn in dollars, and you're going to also drag it all the way to the end. Once you've set that, now I'm going to show you how you can put some animation on your text. So make sure that you click on the text that you want to animate. You're going to click on animate here at the top. And let's do it. Let's do a typewriter effect. If you click on typewriter, it's going to look like it's doing a typewriter. Okay. But the next one also do typewriter. The next one typewriter. So once that is done, you can also hover over the text and you can also align the speed. If you're on the paid version, you can make the speed faster. Okay. And that is your final product. Let's have a look. There you go. Just a simple step-by-step system already changing lives. If you've been praying for a sign to start, comment ready. There's your video. That's done. It didn't even take me maybe 10 minutes. So now you want to go and post your video. You can either put music on here, you can add your audio, but I highly suggest that you don't do that because there's copyright issues with some songs. So rather take your video, go post it on TikTok, and make sure that you use TikTok videos. To download your video, you're going to click at the top right and click on share, and then you're going to go click on download. You can keep it as an MP4 video, and then you're going to download your video. Right, so once it's downloaded, you can go and save it on your computer. I'm going to save it under Faceless Videos, save, and there's your video saved. I will show you. Remember to put in the comment section if you want me to show you more about creating your own videos using Canva AI. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.